The petition, which has gained 600 of signatures, calls for a re-examination of the case and the possibility of harsher consequences for Guyger. Supporters argue that the initial sentence was too lenient given the circumstances of the case. The petitioners claim that Botham Jean's death was a clear example of excessive force and negligence, and they believe Guyger's actions warrant a more severe punishment.
Individuals, whoever wants to send letters and emails to the Texas Justice Department can do so. There is email address that's going. People who think that injustice was done and are expressing themselves via the petition or via letters and emails to the board.
Guyger was convicted of murder in 2019 after the court heard that she had entered Jean's apartment, located one floor above her own, and fatally shot him, believing he was an intruder. Jean, who was sitting on his couch eating ice cream, was unarmed. The case sparked widespread outrage and fueled debates around police accountability and racial injustice in the United States. In 2021, Guyger's defense team sought to have her conviction overturned, arguing that the shooting was a tragic mistake and that she should have been convicted of a lesser charge, such as criminally negligent homicide. However, the court upheld her murder conviction, maintaining that Guyger's actions were reckless and unjustifiable. Botham Jean's family has been vocal in the pursuit of justice, advocating for meaningful reforms in the justice system and police training. While some supported the decision to sentence Guyger to 10 years in prison, others have been calling for a tougher sentence, citing that Jean's life was unjustly taken and that 10 years is not enough for the gravity of the crime.
She remains in prison for her full 10-year term. Because the 10-year sentence was very lenient for the crime she committed. To see that she gets what was commensurate with the crime which she committed.
The petition, which has been gaining traction online, is expected to be submitted to the relevant legal authorities in Texas as part of ongoing efforts to seek justice for Jean. Advocates believe that revisiting the case could lead to a stronger sentence and set an example of accountability for law enforcement officers who misuse their authority. As the petition continues to gather support, many are hopeful that this movement will bring renewed attention to the case and spark further conversations around racial justice, police reform, and the need for systematic change in the United States. Kayla Edwin, NBC Prime.